Right. I'm Harold from AMCP from Brazil, and now it's our first time at CEDIA, and we have some products to show to you. The first one is a multi-room amplifier. We have the interface, IP interface, so you can easily command by any browser in any mobile devices. It's very easy to use, very powerful. It has 50 watts per channel, and we have 4 or 6 zones to command. We also have amplified keypad. This amplified keypad is very easy to use. It has 20 watts of power, and this has Bluetooth capabilities. Now it's playing music from my cell phone just now, so it's very easy to use. It also has FM input. You can change by here. It has a line input. You can connect any kind of sound that you want, any kind of source if you want. It has also FM, and it has Bluetooth. Also, you can connect a pen drive or SD card. It's very, very compact. You connect direct to the loudspeakers, any loudspeaker that you want. All the amplification is here. The second box is the power supply for the keypad, and you can use this in with in-ceiling speakers or bookshelf speakers. It also has a remote control, so you can easily command at distance. So I start the music again, the music that is playing my cell phone. So, came to see us. Your website is www.amcp-extend.com.br.